The Wurth Abrasive 150mm range, a total solution system for aggressive, fast-cutting sanding through to superfine sanding for a range of industries. In the 150mm Velcro range, there are 3 product line choices with dust extraction capabilities. The Economy Redline 15-hole range, the Arizona Perfect 21-hole range, and the Premium Zebra Red Perfect 21-hole range. There is also a plain disc with 0-hole range. The new Wurth 15-hole Redline Economy range is a paper-backed high-performance abrasive with grits available from 40 grit through to 500 grit. Talk to us today about our wide range of abrasive discs.